Should be good now, chat. What's good? What's good? What's good?
Should be good now, chat. What's good? What's good? What's good?
And that's all I wanted to hear. My bad. Wanted to make sure my computer off when I started it. Let's end. Boom, boom, boom. What is good, chat? Hope you guys saw me in the last one. And we good. Everyone doing good? Sorry, I had to send a new link. I wanted to restart my computer. What's up, Tim? What's up, Malik? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing amazing. We're gonna get into it tonight. I like GJ's pullback that we're currently at, so let's go zoom in a little bit. There's no really valid demands on the 15 there. So looking left off the bat on GJ, I like this area with this low, but I'd love for it to get swept. There's no really valid demands because we're on the 15 right here, and the 15-minute demand's already been tapped into, so it's invalid. And if you go back down to the 5-minute and we kind of zoom in, same thing, where we have a 5-minute demand here, but it was already tapped into right when we had this push up, tapped, and then continued off the bat, so it's not as valid for me. So I'd love for that low to get swept on GJ. That would be very ideal. Very, very, very ideal. Everyone can hear me good? Everything good, chat?
But it was already tapped into right when we had this push up. Tap.
All right, well, there we go. So, with that being said, I'm going to be patient on GJ, waiting for us to be in that good zone for reaction to continue. Nice highs on the way up to continue back down. We pop over to gold. I have this demand on gold where we're already in a bullish market and we pull down, and this is the demand. In this area, that was the 15, and this is the 5 down here, where I can set an alert right above, where we could look for the pullback into this area to potentially look for some buys. You know what I'm saying? If we look here and then we look over at the DXY as well, the DXY has had that big liquidation up before this fall, and then kind of pulled back up and forming lower highs on the way down, where this is all I kind of see. You know what I'm saying? So, kind of waiting for that as of now. Pop over to GU. Just remove drawings. Hourly time frame. You can see here we've been moving down. Kind of broke this trend line. Kind of push up, and then we instantly had a big liquidation to fall. Looks like we rejected this low pretty hard. So if we go to like the 15, we could see a pullback into equilibrium. Wait and see. You feel me? What about Euro USD? If we look at Euro USD, everything is here as well. We have a nice impulse slide to play off of right here. You can see here that we're not into discount yet. We do have nice lows to take out. I would love for us to get to discount, but the only other way that I would take like the buy position is if we come and take out the Asia lows, which is right here. So I'm going to set an alert right above them, and hopefully it'll come down, sweep those lows, and then we get our entry to go up. That makes sense, chat? We'll leave it at that. If y'all get that and y'all like that Euro USD breakdown, put a W in the chat. What do you think about the outcome of the elections? Wait, what do you think it will be, the outcome of the elections? I don't know, and I honestly don't really care. I'm not a big politics guy. I'm gonna live my life the exact same either way. Yeah, feel me? We could pop over to, you look at GU, GJ, missed it if you didn't do it already. Yeah, so if we pop back over to GJ, I really like these lows right here. You guys can see where this line is. If you look left, this is this ultimate low, but it still is within this big bullish impulse. So I think that we're pulling back to potentially take out this low and fill some of this gap. Then once that happens, I would love to see it pull back up. That off it, dude. Hello. Frick, that keeps happening. So yeah, pull back to fill this gap to then potentially get the move up. Don't you think it will mean an impact on Forex and crypto markets? Yeah, I mean, but either one is going to, like, no matter who gets elected, something's gonna happen, and I just am here to react. You know what I'm saying? I don't really prefer, you know. I think politics is like a big, like, if you guys really start looking behind the the media and politics and Republicans and Democrats and such, but I think that all is just a fucking, it's all just a money scheme. Conflict and people fighting and disagreement, it's all money. It all plays for a good show. Keeps us all busy and entertained as the wealthy actually run the world, and then we keep distracted by all the bullshit. We just fight with each other like monkeys while the rich get richer.
We just,
you know what I'm saying? We just fight like monkeys and the rich get richer because they actually pay attention. You had your yerba mate today? I've actually not been drinking yerba mates because they have like a lot of sugar and stuff. But I still love them. I have them every now and then. They're not awful. They're not awful. All right, guys, when it comes to GU, it's hard because we're so bearish, but I do think we need a pullback to come back down. So nothing within this structure, I would say, is good enough for me to take the sells. I think it's going to continue higher. I think the only sells I would take would be breaking above the Asia highs. Another alert there. What does the fib for GJ look like? GJ, well, there's not really like a fib as of now. Like, if you wanted to consider what I'm looking at, it would be this low that's caused this impulse. I'm now waiting for the pullback, take out the lows to continue. So you would draw the fib from like this low down here to this high, and then basically right here where this low is going to take up, where I have my line, is literally exactly where the 786 is. So I'm hoping we get a pullback down. Not that deep. I want to probably just like this. Impulse leg, we've kind of come up, channeled down. Be more liquidity to continue back up. That's what I would think for GJ. Why are Asia highs and lows so important? Because as a London trader, looking at previous session highs and lows make for really good entries. There's a lot of liquidity sitting above and below previous session highs. So when you actually see and when you actually go and watch the highs and lows get taken out, you can look for good entries to then take price in the other direction back to then the lows, or vice versa to then the lows to the highs. If you know, you know. You've seen it a million times. Check out NAS. Oh damn, sales this morning were clean. We were busy on the mentorship call, or else I would have definitely been in those sales. Way too big, way too big, way too big. Oh, also update guys, I know I brought up to a lot of you guys that firm that does the instant funding with you guys, and I was gonna keep you updated on people getting passed and payouts and such. And I've already gotten my account passed and some other people's as well, so kind of crazy. I've already mentioned it, but if any of you guys are looking to get actual funded accounts anywhere from 10K, 25K, all the way up to 100K, 200K, a million, you guys can message me and we'll get you funded. My whole thing is this: you guys could go get those accounts and then just don't take any of your own trades. It sounds shitty, but don't take any of your own trades. Just hold it and then come take just my trades and make money. That would be kind of the cheat code. What is your fave setup? I would say my fave setup is just an extension, like a pretty decent pullback that took liquidity that led to a distribution, leaving a nice demand. Perfect little downtrend with lows to take out that usually, like, if the lows match up with previous like Asia session lows, take that out, quick break of structure, tap and go. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Sign me up. Tim, all you have to do is just message me on Telegram. Is giveaway going to be today? Yes, I will do a giveaway for you guys today. Giveaway today, giveaway today, giveaway today. Do you analyze gold the same way? Yeah, gold especially, because gold loves liquidity to be taken. So when I see like this demand, yes, I have it marked up, but also has equal lows. Like, I'd love for it to come, take out these previous New York session lows like this. Ultimately, still ways to go. So, you know, you could look for a short. It just goes, you know, I always kind of say this, and I say to my mentorship students that, like, I really take trades from the lows and highs of sessions because you have the most probable risk to reward setups. You have a potential of getting good risk to reward because you're usually going to be taking at a high or a low, taking it all the way back. You know what I'm saying? Smoking gas and leaning. Could you potentially use the Sonar Labs as TPs? What do you mean the Sonar Labs? Do you mean like the session highs and stuff? Yeah, so like, the thing is this, guys, like, if you, let's say over here, this was Asia session. Price comes up, does like some sort of like whatever, leads to an expansion up, and that's the high of Asia session, and then we kind of channel back down, kind of like this, whatever the case may be. Ultimately, like, I just look for like this. I would look for like the demand. You kind of wait for the pullback down to take out the Asia lows, which is like right here. Take out the lows, and then what you wait for is the high right here that caused the low to be broken. You wait for that, and then once you get the extension up, that is then the identified whole market structure shift, like that, right? And then from that point is where you can look for, you know, your entry somewhere around here. And then like you said, you could aim for the session highs if they haven't been taken out. But like I just said, if they haven't been taken out, if this would have came up and done something like this, well, there's less liquidity sitting above because we've already taken out the session highs. So when we come and take out the lows, it's less probable we'll get the pullback all the way up to the highs, unless they're untouched like this, where you can wait for the little, you know, basically that. And y'all can, I'll leave this up for a second so y'all can digest this, but this is it. I think I just drew up for you guys a sauce, by the way. Absolute sauce. So with gold, we can go short sell potential and we will get through and we could buy. I don't know what you're saying, Cuzzo. Love from UK, man. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Here we go, guys. Who's looking for some gold buys? And you might be thinking, Luca, it's bearish, it's coming down. Well, if this comes down and breaks the lows and continues, then it invalidates the whole setup. But my mindset right now is that, like the setup I just showed you guys, this is the Asia session. We created a high and we created a low. Asia session highs have not been taken out. We've continued to make lower highs going down. And then right here, you could see that we swept Asia lows, came up and broke structure, and now pulled back, tried to come up again and dropped. So if we hold this low, there's no reason we should come and break these highs if we're not going to continue up. That's kind of what I have in my head right now, is that if we can hold these lows right here, I think we could get a potential expansion. Who thinks so? Put a 1 in the chat if you think I'm right. Put a 2 in the chat if you think I'm crazy. One in the chat if you agree, 2 in the chat if you think I'm crazy. One plus MA should act as support as well. That's what I'm saying. Two, Luca is loco. You're funny, bro. You guys like this setup or what? In the trade? I'm not in it yet. I'll let you guys know if I get in it. But gold does look like it wants some. My thing is I try to hold the whole trade when I'm not realizing it's gonna go back down to entry go good. Yeah, bro, that's a really good thing to practice, is knowing that when price is overextended in a certain direction and when you need to look for either the pullback first to then get in or wait for it to already, you know, like whatever it needs to be. But I mean, at least you can identify that. Now it's just working on actually what can you do to make sure you stop with that bad habit. You know what I'm saying? I think this next 15 minutes gonna fly on gold, guys. Looks like the Asia highs have been taken out on AU. No one called that out, eh? Telling y'all, if DXY comes and takes out Asia lows and starts going bullish, I will full leverage on every account I have. I will full leverage on every account I have. No hesitation. Luca, do you ever feel scared or nervous when you see red numbers? No. So like I always say this, is that if you ever get into a trade and you're scared in the trade, it's either because you're risking money you shouldn't be risking, you're risking too much money, or you're not following your trading plan and you're a trade that you know you shouldn't be in. Those are usually the three reasons why you would be nervous to be in a trade. Maybe I'm missing one if one of you guys can think of them. But if you are following your rules, you're risking only a certain amount on an account that it doesn't really matter to you, you're using an account that isn't like make or break for your whole entire life, and you're following your plan, you should never be scared to get into a trade. Like I said, that's what I always say with challenges, guys, is that a lot of you guys will, you know, like $500 is a lot for you guys, but you'll go spend $500 on a 100K and you'll be like, dang, this is my make or break. Like I have to pass this 500K or this 100K account. And then guess what? You end up not passing that one. Whereas you could have went and got like 425Ks and practiced and gotten different accounts and not and saved yourself. You know what I'm saying? Too easy. tell me something about your trading journey. It wasn't quick. It was something that I don't wish I wouldn't did it again, but I wouldn't mind doing it again. But just know that I went through all the trials and tribulations as a lot of people. It may look like, oh, Luca's this just freaking California born, you know, like, I don't know. I always hate when people just say that, like, I have like, oh, he came from daddy's money or he had like family money and stuff. It's like, bro, I'm telling you guys right now, I was dead broke. Like, my family does not have money. So, I mean, I wish that would have made it really easier. Imagine like having like rich parents when you start trading and they can pay for your like your challenges and shit. I never once asked my parents for challenge money. That would be crazy. That would be actually wild. Yeah, I'm doing the phone challenge and I won 50% in 6 days, but then I fucked up and now I'm negative 5%. Hey, yo. Wait, yeah, I'm doing the phone challenge and I was on... Damn, that's a big swing, bro. And I'm so nervous to enter a trade because I'm afraid to lose more. That's what I'm saying, is that you gotta understand that like you have to be following a plan. And if you're not following a plan, then that's why you're scared to be in the trade, truthfully. Hey, you guys, I'm telling you. Asia highs, respected again. Continuing down. I'm telling y'all. Can you backtest the session trading gold? Which session? Murder for high. EU nothing. GU's almost up to the Asia highs though, guys. With the supply sitting right above. If anyone's ballsy, this is a fib pullback. I may or may not have put a little position in. I'm kidding. But that's a pullback into here, waiting for the continuation. Anyone's feeling that? A 1-to-1 is pretty probable, chat. The Asian session? I don't want to backtest the Asian session on gold. I don't trade the gold Asian session, but I can already see that if I did take a setup, it would be something like this. You see that the extension is bullish. And I guess you could say we kind of consolidated, but what I really like is that we did have this demand sitting right here. Right there. And price pulled back into here and then had a bullish move up that ended up taking out the highs. This would have been an ideal setup. Looks like a big W. I need to get on that Luca sleep schedule. What is it? Hey, yo. You do not want that sleep schedule, cuz. My sleep schedule, bro, it kind of just, it literally changes each night because not every night is a good trade night right at the start of London. So like I basically like pre-London, I'll go and like look at the charts with you guys, see what's kind of setting up good, and that will kind of tell me if there's a setup gonna be happening soon or if it's gonna be happening in a couple hours. Because a lot of you guys will see, I'll take trades super late, super late. And then I just will sleep a little bit, and then I get up around 9:20, and I'm back to it, trading at 10 a.m. GJ's dumping, which makes me think gold's gonna follow. Gold's probably gonna come take out those lows. Pull back to this demand, maybe. Have to see. Hey, Luke, did you watch the Lakers game? I actually didn't today. Today I had a busy day. I was out all day. Hey, bro, is this a buy or sell position? It is a buy position. It is a buy position on gold. But like I just said, we aren't in discount. We have just come back down and swept the lows. And I'm like, this whole setup is based around us sweeping Asia lows and then having like a move already, kind of consolidating and then sweeping liquidity. And like, because we've kind of rejected here, I'm anticipating we just kind of hold the lows and get a miniature move up. If we can come up and take out the highs, that would be key. But if not, and we just continue lower, we're just gonna take out the highs and keep going down. GJ, big liquidity. Oh, wow. Well, it's taking out that gap I was talking about. Like earlier when you guys saw me drawing this up, where price is now, this is filling that gap. So if we draw this low, y'all see this? So we're filling it. We literally just filled it. So now that's been filled, we could wait for, like I just had marked up, kind of like a swoosh. You know what I'm saying? I'll wait to see. GJ on the higher time frames. Like look at GJ on the or gold on the hourly. Honestly, not looking the best. So everyone just be careful, you know, if you actually did get into, you actually did get in. I like that's consolidating. Hopefully we can get a break above here to continue. I just got in a little premium, you know, fuck it, it's Friday. I mean, it's not Friday, it's Wednesday, but I don't know if I'm gonna be trading tomorrow, chat. I don't know if I told you guys that, but I may not be trading tomorrow. Don't hate me. Sure, bro, thanks, of course, bro. Chat, y'all love me or what? Wait and see. Damn, GU, what the frick? Man. DXY must be sinking. Wow. Wow. Okay, it's one of those nights. Okay, I didn't know. I see you. JPY basket's dipping. Wow. 10 minutes before session, really? That's a whole lot of mumbo jumbo. I think gold might go down with GJ. But if the DXY is dumping, Gold should go long. This is what's so annoying. Is that we're literally trading the gold versus the US dollar, but when the US dollar is literally plummeting, gold isn't even going up. That's actually annoying. This is why that's the one correlation that, like, it's so funny because the correlations I talk about when it comes to like GU and USD CAD or GJ and the JPY basket, those ones are actually good correlations that actually, you know, reverse. But when it comes to one that literally is the most obvious, because it's literally gold spot versus US dollar, how are you going down with the dollar? That's not supposed to happen. Falling knife. That'd be crazy. There's no way though. No way this would hold. It's gonna come drop right through. Trying to catch a fallen knife. GA on the other hand, what's good? That's taking out session highs. Set an alert. We love you, Snuggles. What? That's when you... Bro really didn't just say Snuggles. What about Naz? What about Jared 30, chat? Ooh, Jared 30 is already starting to sink right now. This is the opposite of what I believe in, but GCAD shot up after I went long. Wow, damn. GJ swooping. It would be sick, bro. If we can get the hourly closure in here and it reacts to buy, that would be wild. Is there big news that we missed? Not necessarily. I checked it in the morning. It looks like 2 a.m. Like later, but nothing really. Looks like tomorrow some USD news, but as of tonight, I'm not seeing anything. Today, October 30th. Wanna believe. I don't think Jared's gonna do this. This is the opposite of the trade that I like when you just take the breakout to continue. I usually look for lows like this to get taken out to look for sweeps. Just marking up stuff. Gold close, should I buy again? No. Like I said, the whole thing was playing it off of the Asia lows, which it took out the Asia lows, had a reaction that I thought because we kind of broke structure here that we could pull back and continue. Nothing really. Still have a gap over here we could fill to continue up. We would like a, you know, MA we can use as a support here to bounce. It was just tight. What about NAS? NAS is crazy. That's been falling like that all day. USD CAD. USD CAD should be dipping with the DXY. Like, why is this reacting off of here? There's no way that that's gonna happen. GU, EU. How about that GA? Do you think some algorithm lowers so that I can slingshot on the next day's news? I don't know what that means. Ugh. Gold big dip. That's what I'm thinking of. Some of these might follow. EU in them, like we've broken up to the upside, but I don't think for long. Like GU, why the frick did this happen? There's no like GBP news or USD news. Like, what is this? I'm really about to open in 2 minutes though. Wagwan, big dog. What's good? What's good? What's good? Yeah, GJ selling off like a motherfucker. I know, it's crazy. I have some lows. So I'm at the lows, but we filled the gap to the left. We'll see. SPX, what about FTSE? Oh, yeah, Jared's starting to reverse. London Open. Even though I don't think the real London Open doesn't open for an hour. GJ crazy. Gonna believe. See if we get a sweep. Gold. Coming down to this demand. I still have my alert set. Wait and see that. GJ's filled that, but I think it's just gonna stop there. GA starting to have that reaction. Let me delete this. My freaking It was a hard sell with my analysis. Well, then you should have sold. If you were confident with your sells, where's your sell position? GA isn't taking out this high as hard. We'll wait and see. Hourly just opened, so it could just be a bottom wick. Nothing stopping from here. We'll see if GU or EU or any of those will have the reaction, but nothing as of now. USD CAD, UJ. Should we do the giveaway, chat? Giveaway. I told you I would do a giveaway tonight. Giveaway. Does Henko have MT5? No. No. Damn, GA. GA. This could be a bottom wick, but that'd be a big bottom wick. I mean, up here kind of, but there's none else that I like that. Damn, everything just went. All right, so GJ, you could see is starting to stall. Like once it's filled the gap, what would need to happen is for price to kind of come, kind of stall a little bit, maybe even sweep the lows and then get a break of structure like that. Something like that. Because if I just try to buy right here, like if you guys just try to buy on a bounce like this, it could easily just come back down and stop you out and go lower. You know what I'm saying? So there is that. All right, chat, I'm thinking about how I want to do the giveaway this time. How do you guys think I should do it? How do you guys think? Let's do the number game. We haven't done that in a while. You guys down to do the number game? That was like the first OG one that we used to do. Pick. All right, chat. I had Google pick me a number. I had Google pick me a number. When I say go, all you guys have to do is just start spamming in the chat any number between 1 and 100. The first person to get it wins the account. Okay? All right, guys, a number between 1 and 100. 3, 2, 1, go. First person to get it. Everyone pick a number between 1 and 100. Between 1 and 100. Keep guessing. Haven't seen it. Who's gonna get it? Still looking. Still looking tough. Now I kind of remember why we don't do this one. It's fucking so hard to see, holy shit. I can probably do command find and then have it show me. Oh, I think I saw someone say it. Hold on, let's do command F. Command F. Oh wow, that's crazy. Oh wow, that's crazy. You guys still haven't done it. I just did command F. Oh, just kidding. Someone just got it. Hiding amongst the trees. 59. You guys can see right here. 59. 59. Bada bing. Bada boom. What's so funny is I literally pressed command F and put 59. And look at, literally out of all these answers, the only one to put 59. If I go and put command F and put just 5, 54 of you, it shows, said 5. So I don't want to hear any, oh, but Luca, I said it, da, 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 da. No, we have it verified. I have it verified that none of y'all said that. So congrats. Bada bing, bada boom. W's in the chat. Everyone put W's. Everyone put W's, W's, W's. I said 59 earlier on God. Bro, you guys can't say you said 59. It literally, bro, I'll show you now, because now you guys can say that you said 59. Command F, 59. Now it says it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the 6th one is hiding amongst the trees. If you guys actually said it, it would be up here. So I don't want to hear any bullshit. Oh, Luca, I said it. Da, 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 da. Bro, it does not lie. It does not lie. I'll do any other one. Command F for, let's do 45. No one said 45. Let's do 33 maybe. Look, you might say 33. You can go through and find it. So I don't want to hear any mumbo jumbo. No liars. Liars never win. No cap. No cap in my chat. Alright, we're starting to get reactions. Alright, well, make sure you guys all go, make sure you guys all go over to my Instagram. You guys have been liking, subscribing. Leave a comment and a like on my most recent video. And show some love. Maybe I'll pick one of you guys who go and leaves a comment for a giveaway. If you guys like repost and tag me or something. But I appreciate all the support. You guys are obviously dope as hell. It is gonna be Halloween tomorrow. I'm going to see YG, so I will not be on stream. Unfortunately, I will not be on stream. They're 30. Let's see. Do another one for $50. $50? No, not right now. I'll do that on like I like doing that on like my Telegram. Like I'll just randomly do it on my Telegram or Instagram, be like everyone DM me and I'll pick one of you random people and I just pick someone random there. Make sure y'all are following me on Instagram, because maybe I do it on Instagram. I'll put on my story saying everyone DM me. I've been wanting to do that. I've been wanting to put on my story saying everyone DM me your like USDT address and I'll send you $50. And then just pick one of you guys to do that. For Kari, go hard. If you know, you know. Hey, bro, Bay Area shit. What you know about that? What you know about that, Liam? She tastes so sweet like caramel. Girl, your skin is nice. USD CAD having the bullish move. I mean the DXY is going. Oh, look at the DXY react off of that. There's no way. I think this is just a bounce to come down more. There's no way that we're just bouncing from there. Need YG on the stream, bro, one day. That would be so sick. YG stream on God. Bro, one fucking day. One day, chat. Working our way up. You're in a good mood today, do it. I'm in a good mood every day. Y'all rarely catch me in a bad mood. Can't really remember a time you guys caught me in a bad mood. You get better on there. Oh. All right, well, I'm gonna stay patient. If you guys want to come and end the week with the freaking gang, this is the #1 signals around. I usually don't really say that because I don't like to be a cocky bastard, but because of the results we've been getting lately and how many people have been DMing me saying how amazing they are, I just have to talk my shit a little bit. The one thing about the signals is not that you can just copy them, but you actually learn from them. All the entries are pretty similar. They're on the same pairs near the same times, where it's like you being a part of it and seeing the repetition of me calling the trades and winning the trades, where we're holding to, where we're getting out, and then what price is doing after. I think that it's obviously worth it. You make it back in one trade. You could literally have a $100 account, and I would be surprised if you couldn't at least flip it to freaking $200-300 with just the signals. So I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all click that link. You guys can use code SABA for 10% off. But other than that, I appreciate y'all. Everyone say peace out in the chat before you leave. Don't just leave me cold in the dust. I love you all. Be safe for Halloween. And guys, we'll be back at it. You look better on this. Make sure y'all click that link though, for sure, for sure.